EC Hardware Company Limited was established in 2009. We are specialized in door and window hardware and have export license. Our factory covers an area of 3,000 square meters. Besides, we can meet different requirements, personalized customization, and OEM are feasible. In order to make our products more competitive and enhance customers' confidence, we have obtained the following product quality certifications: UL Certificated R41359 for door closer, UL Certificated R41361, SA 46258 for panic exit device, UL Certificated R41383 and EN1935 2002 for hinges, EN1906 2012 for handles, EN12209 2016 for locks, and so on.